So why did I quit my Flutter job? And the thing is, I really wanted to get a Flutter job 2 years back because I found this amazing framework that Google built in order for me to build iOS and Android apps with just one code base, and it looks fantastic. So I tried to look for a Flutter job, and I was really lucky to find one in Singapore. And there is a video talking about it. And I was really happy that I got this Flutter job. So this is a little bit of pre-context. But after I got the Flutter job, because I thought that was my dream job, I felt empty after achieving it. And some of you might have the same feeling when you have achieved what you always wanted to achieve. So the thing is, I was pretty empty for a while. I was looking for what I really wanted to do with my life. I know it's a little bit deep, but that's how things are usually in life. So then I was exploring around with a lot of opportunities, like teaching programming voluntarily or as a side job, talking to entrepreneurs, listening to a lot of videos about entrepreneurship, and then a lot of things just stack on top one another, and I realized that I wanted to be a leader. So the reason is that to become a leader in any organization that you are in, especially when you're like an entry-level kind of person, whether you're a software developer or whether you're a banker or whatnot, right? You have to put in the years of experience, the years of work, and the years of consistent, excellent work at the same time being nice to a lot of people. So with all of this, then you're able to be promoted into a managerial position, which you are able to take charge of people, which makes sense here and there. Does that mean with all of these different qualities, you are going to be a great leader? Personally, no, because I feel that in order for you to be great at something, you have to practice it. So in order for you to become a great leader, you have to practice leading. So for me, I feel that I was born to be a leader. As stupid as it is, I always wanted to be a leader. And the thing is, if I were to look back in my life when I was younger, I always loved to be just the leader here and there. And now being older, I feel that being a leader is something that I want to do full time. So how am I going to be a leader full time? And my definition of being a leader is to do my own thing and also at the same time work with people that I really want to work with. So that means as along the lines of maybe entrepreneurship or like creating your own business and kind of thing. So that's what I did. I quit my Flutter job 9 months ago and started my own company called Zukunft without the T. So it is future in German, and how I come up with that name, I have no idea. I was really looking for a name. So that's the first main reason why I wanted to quit my Flutter job, because in order for me to become a leader in any organization, I have to be the founder. I have to be the person who started the company, because I feel that's the best and also the fastest way for me to become a leader and also practice leading. I don't have people working with me, but when I have enough revenue and I'm able to pay people to do stuff that I don't really like, then I'm able to practice my leadership quality. That's the first reason why I quit my Flutter job. The second reason is that I have a lot of ideas. And the thing is, I'm self-aware that I have ideas that I want to execute. So I'm not a person who just have ideas and leave it into my brain. I'm a person who have ideas and then I will execute it. I love executing. I guess that's why a lot of people who found companies are people who just love executing. And the thing is that when I share my ideas, whether if it's with the people who are in charge or the boss or supervisors or whatnot, usually my ideas were being shot down. And the thing is, I kind of understand, but I feel that in order for me to execute on the ideas, I really have to push very hard. And I really don't mind having to take charge of the idea, whether if the idea will fail or will succeed. And the most important thing is taking charge, because I love working with people and see the direction of the idea. So at the same time, I find that in order for me to execute on my ideas that I feel that it's going to be something that I can take charge of, the only way is to just start on my own thing, So you have an idea, create a web app, create a business, create a class, create whatever, right? And then you take responsibility. See if you have enough money so you can survive by yourself and whatnot. So I love doing that, that helps me grow as a person. And then at the same time, I can see how the idea grows into something. So for example, my idea right now is to create a learning platform for people who wants to learn Flutter. So there isn't a lot of learning platforms, for example like Free Code Camp or Code Academy, that focuses on Flutter learning or learning Flutter. So that's one thing that I'm going to build, and that's something that I'm really excited about. So if you're interested to be like my first few testers on this platform, sign up in the link down below. So these are the things that I want to do. And the thing is, I probably can do that as a side thing if I have a full-time job. Yes, but the third reason is that, so I'm a huge risk taker. And the thing is that in order for you to be hugely successful, you probably have to take huge risk. So that's like, I would say, in my opinion, it is not an original idea from me, but I saw like a LinkedIn post. So there's 3 types of entrepreneurs. So the first type is the person like me who take huge risk. That means you quit a job and do something that you really want to do. So you don't have like a working side business, but you just quit your job because you just don't want to work with people. So there's second type of entrepreneurs where they are people who, have a full-time job and then at the same time they have a side business. So once their side business is successful, then they will quit their full-time job and make their side business as a main business. And the third one is, I call them pussies, because they just have ideas in their mind and that's it. They just don't act on it. So I would say people might have entrepreneurial tendencies, a very famous term that's created by Gary Vee. And the thing is, for me, I feel that I don't have entrepreneurial tendencies. I can't live without it. The idea of working at a job kind of scares me because I really love how I'm doing right now, because I really like the autonomy that I have and the control that I have. So if I were to let go, is that higher than just earning some money? Probably yes. So that's about it. The 3 reasons why I quit my Flutter job is, first, I really want to practice being a great leader. Second is that I have ideas that I want to really execute. And third reason is that I want to have full autonomy. I don't want anyone to control me. I want the control. So that's about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more of this video, subscribe down below. And comment down if you really want to get a Flutter job. That's about it. Stay safe and all the best. Bye.